This is a real WhatsApp message I got from restaurant owner 3 months after we shipped his AI booking bot. 32 lakhs, around 40,000 US dollars in 1 quarter from one single bot. Today I'm showing you exactly what we built, what broke in the first week, the numbers behind the 40,000, and the 3-step blueprint to do this for any restaurant, including yours. Let's go. 6 months ago, Saturday night, 7:47 p.m., the owner of a restaurant chain in Western India is standing behind his counter watching the phone ring for the 40th time that hour. Two people are actively answering calls. They can't keep up. Of every 10 incoming calls, 4 go unanswered. Of those 4, 3 were customers who wanted to book a table and just gave up. Across his 3 locations, he's losing roughly 40,000 rupees of revenue every Saturday to a phone line. That isn't a tech problem on paper, but in practice, it is the single biggest leak in his entire business. When he messaged me about it, his exact words were, "I don't need a fancy website, I need someone to answer the phone when I can't." Why WhatsApp? Not a phone bot, not an app, not even a website. One number, 98%. That's the open rate on a WhatsApp message in India. Within 3 minutes, phone calls during peak hours, 0, because nobody picks up. His customers were already on WhatsApp. They were already messaging him to ask about menus, deals, whether the AC was working tonight. He was just answering all of it himself on his personal number while running a kitchen. The opportunity wasn't to build something new, it was to put an AI at the front of an inbox that already had 1,000 customers in it. Here's the system: customer messages the restaurant's WhatsApp number. The bot reads the intent, handles it, and either confirms instantly or escalates to human if it can't. That's the whole architect. Now, the WhatsApp side of this is where Whapi.Cloud comes in. They sponsor this video. I want to say that upfront, but they are also genuinely the reason I could ship this in 5 days instead of 5 weeks. If you have ever tried to use the official WhatsApp business API, it's a nightmare. Meta verification, template approvals, 2-week review windows, business document submission. For a restaurant owner who wants to ship something this weekend, it's impossible. Whapi.Cloud sits on top of the unofficial WhatsApp protocol. Plug in your phone number, you have a real two-way API in just 15 minutes. No template approvals, no meta review queue. For a project like this, running a chatbot on an existing restaurant number, it's the only sensible choice. I did a full comparison in an earlier video, link is in the description. 3 conversation flows. Booking: the customer says table for 4, 8 p.m. Bot checks availability, confirms, sends a Google Maps link, adds it to the owner's reservation sheet automatically. Menu and pre-orders: bot shares the latest menu PDF, takes pre-orders, calculates the total, sends a payment link, 5 seconds. Special requests, dietary restrictions, allergies, anniversary cake, anything weird, bot escalates to a real human with full context. No customer gets stuck talking to a robot when they shouldn't. Total build time, 5 working days. Launch week, day 1. Bot replied in English to a customer who'd messaged in Hindi. Pissed him off, we added language detection in 20 minutes. Day 2, a regular customer who'd been messaging the owner directly for 2 years thought the AI was him being rude. We added a small disclaimer on the first message of every new conversation: "You are chatting with our AI assistant. Type human anytime to talk to a real person." Day 3, WhatsApp temporarily flagged the number for sending too many similar messages. We added small variations to the bot's replies so they didn't look automated, and we fixed that in a day. Day 4, everything stable. Day 5, we even stopped looking at it. 90 days later, here are the numbers. Bookings up 41%. Not just bookings made, bookings completed, because the bot was sending automated reminders an hour before each reservation. No-show rate dropped from 15% to 4%. Repeat customer rate up by 28%. The bot was following up with a thank you message and a return discount within an hour of the customer leaving the restaurant. Nobody had ever done that for them before. Average ticket size up 9% because the bot was upselling. Want to add our weekend special to your order to every single customer in a way the owner was too busy to do himself. Total added revenue across the 3 locations about 32 lakhs, $40,000 in 1 quarter from one single bot. The owner's words, I should have done this 2 years ago. Here's the 3 step blueprint if you own a restaurant or if you want to build these for clients, follow this exactly. Step 1, intake. Spend a week shadowing the restaurant's existing WhatsApp inbox. Write down every kind of message customers send. There are usually only 7 or 8 patterns: booking, menu, pre order, cancellation, hours, location, specials, complaints. That's your blueprint. Step 2, flows. Build a conversation flow for each pattern. Start with the top 3 by volume. They are usually 80% of all messages. So don't try to handle everything on day 1. Ship 3, prove value, and then expand. Step 3, escalation. Make the bot polite about its limit. Any message it doesn't understand, any complaint, any emotional message, it hands off to a human within 5 seconds with full context. This is the difference between customers loving the bot and hating it. That's the entire framework. I put the complete template, every conversation flow. We built the exact prompts, the tech stack checklist in a free PDF. Link is in the description. 12 pages, no sign up behind a paywall. If you own a restaurant and you want this for your business, DM me. I'll either build it for you or point you to someone who will, or just give you the PDF and let you build it yourself. Your call. And if you are an AI consultant or freelancer who trying to land your first restaurant client, the PDF works for you too. Steal the entire blueprint. I genuinely don't care. Subscribe. Every video on this channel is a real case study, real numbers, real businesses. See you in the next one.